Many times I was so much hurt. So many times I died. So that is one thing. And of course, there is a one quotation called, a courageous person dies only one time, timid person dies many times. So anybody experienced like that? You can type it. When you're afraid, feels like dying. Okay. So next is called Mahatma Gandhi quotation, friends. Mahatma Gandhi says, the quotation is, I'll just exactly read it. Each time I go to sleep, I die. And the next morning, when I wake up, I am reborn. That is Mahatma Gandhi's quotation.